In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to print worksheet without command button in Excel. For some purposes, you may insert a command button to Excel, but when you print a worksheet, you needn't to print the button. In Excel, to print without button, we just need to set an option for the command properties. Please do as follows. As you can see, if we press Ctrl P keys, uh, you can observe that the command button will be displayed in the print area section. So uh, right click the command button, whatever it is, form control or ActiveX control, and choose format control from the context menu. In the format control dialog box, click the properties tab and then uncheck the print object option. Next, click the OK button to close the dialog, and then you can go to the uh, print preview section by pressing Ctrl P keys. You can see that uh, when you print the worksheet, the button will not be printed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.